What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the birds. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y.S.D.B Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch, Birds of Broad Street, Y.S.D.B Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Over there, go Birds. Right here, go Birds. Let's hunt right there, and that beautiful bad boy right there. Welcome to Bird Talk at the Linc. You wanted me back here? I'm back. It feels so good to be home. It feels so good to be home. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Bird Talk at the Linc with the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch YouTube, representing the birds. Back home. Woo! Decked out in my Kelly green. I'm rocking my Kelly green right now. Go Birds. A couple of things that I want to say as we now sit 48 hours away. 48 hours away from kickoff of the NFC Championship game where the Philadelphia Eagles will face the Washington Commanders. Eagles Nation, be loud, be proud, and buy your ticket. Jalen freaking Hurts told y'all, it takes everybody. It takes him. It takes the offense. It takes the defense. It takes the coaching staff. It takes the special teams. But it also takes you. Be loud. Be proud. Buy your ticket. Your boy's going to be here to tailgate with Simone with the Spizzles. My sister will be here at the game. Buy your ticket, man. Buy your ticket. Everybody's here right now at the pro shop. Everybody's here. It is busy here in Broad and Patterson because everybody wants to go to the pro shop. Buy your ticket. Buy your ticket. Jalen freaking Hurts and this Birds needs your energy. Buy your ticket. Don't let no mustard and ketchup freak come into your house and try to take over. Don't let him do it. That bad boy right there, that's our house. That's our house. And I refuse to see some mustard and ketchup freak come up in here and take over. So buy your ticket. Be loud, be proud. Make some motherfucking noise. Make some motherfucking noise. I want to hear multiple Fly Eagles Fly chants. Multiple EAGLES Eagles chants. Multiple caw, caw. I want to see multiple Kelly Greens and Midnight Greens. I want to see it all. I want to see it all. Be loud and don't let Jayden Daniels come up in here and take over this. Not. So buy your ticket. Buy your ticket. Jayden Daniels. 48 hours. The clock strikes midnight. It strikes midnight in 48 hours, Jayden Daniels. You had miracles upon miracles upon miracles upon miracles. Right? You're at the ball. You're dancing with the prince. It's good. It's goofy. Guess what? Gong. 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 Midnight. Midnight. That carriage goes back to being a pumpkin. Those lovely people, those lovely horses and people, yeah, they go back to being animals. That lovely dress goes back to being messed up. The clock strikes midnight. 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 You feel me? Have you seen Jalen Carter, man? Have you seen Jalen Carter? Have you? Have you seen Jalen Carter? Hey, Mr. Carter. And don't think for 1 second that your defense, Commander fans, your little defense is going to attack my boy Jalen freaking Hurts. That ain't going to happen. You're going to have to go through A.J. Brown, Devontae Smith, Dallas Goedert, Saquon Mothertruck and Barkley, Cam Jurgen, Lane Johnson, Jordan Mailata, Leonard Dixon, Mekhi Becton. You're going to have to go through the best fan base in the world. You better, you touch my quarterback if you want to. I'll come up to the lane and hit him, mofo. Touch my quarterback if you want to. I wish you would. I wish you would. Touch him if you want to. Go ahead, touch that. Look on. Right. Touch him if you want to. The Philadelphia Eagles are going to the Super Bowl, and you can bet your ass, whether it's the Chiefs, whether it's the Bills, we're going to win the Super Bowl. That's right. That's right, I said it. I said it. I'm standing right here. I'm 10 toes down. I'm standing right here. And I'm saying to the world right here, the Philadelphia Eagles are going to the Super Bowl and we're going to win. I'm standing right here. I know some of you Commander fans are going to clip this. I know some of you Commander fans are going to be like, look what CoolCat-Mitch said. That the Eagles are going to the Super Bowl and they're going to win. Well, guess what? I stood right here in 2022. NFC Championship game. I stood right here. And guess what I said? I said the Eagles are going to the Super Bowl. I stood right here and I said the Eagles going to Super Bowl. Guess what? We're going to the Super Bowl. We are going to the Super Bowl, and you can bet your ass that we gonna win. We gonna win the Super Bowl. There will be a parade down Broad Street, and me, Simone, Monterey Rock, Smitty, King David, we all gonna be there. We all gonna be there, and it's gonna start right here and on down to the Art Museum. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Go ahead, clip it. Go ahead, clip it. Go ahead, clip it. If I'm wrong, which I'm not, 95% of the time I'm right. One time, that 1% I'm wrong. That 1% I'm wrong. 99% of the time I'm right. I told y'all in the studio. I told y'all in the studio in 2022 in the NFC Championship game that we're going to the Super Bowl. Guess what the fuck happened? Huh? And guess what else happened? Guess what else happened? I went to the NFC Championship tailgate, 4th and Joan. Went back to the studio, watched the Birds got this dub, and we went to the Super Bowl. Well, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I'm going to the 4th and Joan tailgate with my sister Simone with the Blizzards. My guy Dylan! 4th and Joan. Right to that tailgate. Going back to the studio, and I'm going to watch these motherfucking Birds win. You can bet your ass we going to the Super Bowl. You can book it, print it. We going to Super Bowl. I love being here. I miss you so much. I know I haven't been here standing at this spot lately, but all things are going to change. All things are going to change. And it starts right now. You can book it, print it, whatever the heck you want to do. We going to the Super Bowl. And it starts this Sunday versus Commanders. Commanders! Nothing personal, just business. I'm in the winning business, and if you ain't winning, you ain't got no damn business up in here.